Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial video on how to hem a trouser without sewing by just using a hemming tape. So this is the trousers that we bought for my son's schooling. So I don't need to send this to the alteration shop. I'll just use the hemming tape to trim the slacks, and I'll show you in this video how to do it. And you can save lots of money if you try to do it yourself. Okay, so let's do it. This is Stewie's trouser. As you can see, it's still quite long for him. So I'm gonna fold it to get the proper length of the trouser appropriate for his height without crease. I'm gonna secure the fold with bobby pins. Same goes for the other leg. You will need a shearing scissor, zigzag scissor basically, a hemming tape, this one is a low cost from IKEA, and an iron, and also the trouser. Lay the trouser or the pants on a suitable ironing surface and iron the fold to make marks. Here I am using an ironing board. Remove the bobby pins and lay flat the trouser and iron them again. Using the shearing scissor, I cut the trouser an inch below the mark that I made. Cut or pull off enough hemming tape to wrap around the trouser leg. Wind it round both sides just above the fold of the hem, then fold the end of the trouser leg back over the tape. Don't let it stick out. It needs to be covered by the fabric or it will stick to the iron and won't hold the hem properly. Heat the iron to hot or low and press hard on the hem for 10 seconds. Be careful with synthetic material as they are prone to melt. If you are concerned about damaging the fabric, try 5 seconds. If the fabric is delicate or you are otherwise concerned, then you can try a small piece in an inconspicuous areas. I have never had any problems with it, and I think the manufacturers probably say this to cover themselves. So don't let the iron touch the tape as it will stick and could burn. Repeat the process for the other leg. Allow to cool for a few minutes and check the bond. If it comes apart easily, repeat the ironing, allowing a few more seconds. If it has dried out, if it's stuck firm, presto, you're ready to go. It can be adjusted by following the previous instructions, but instead of allowing to cool, pull apart. A mark may be left, but the hem can be adjusted. The trouser can be washed or dry clean in the usual way once the tape has cooled. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.